Hello and welcome to my channel, Hugh Money Method. I am Hugh Lee, and today I will show you how to use CapCut as a beginner's guide so that you can edit your own video. Let's get started. This is the interface of CapCut. On the top, you have import, audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filters, adjustments, templates, AI characters. On the right side, you have the player panel right here. And next to it, you have the detail panel or the features right here. On the bottom is the timeline panel. Click on import to upload the videos that you want to work with. Once you upload your videos, it will be right here. And it will also show up on the preview in the player panel right here. To add your video to the timeline, you have two options. You can either drag the videos to the timeline or you can click on the blue plus sign. So let's drag it down here. And then let's click on the blue plus sign right here. Now you have it in your timeline. Let's go over what all of these symbols mean. First, you have your playhead. Right here, this is your playhead. You have the undo button, the split button. This is also the split button, but it has a transparent on the left. Therefore, if you click on it, the video clip on the left will be removed. And this one right here is also the split button, but it has the transparent on the right-hand side. So if you click on it, the right side of the video clip will be removed. And this is your delete button. For the most part, don't worry about these right here because we're doing a beginner's tutorials. And right over here, this is how long your videos is. And over here, you have the zoom in and zoom out. Let's do transition. Move the player head to the end of the first clip. Click on transition. There are so many transitions for you to choose from. There's a tab right over here that you can move up and down, just like so. And if you see the word Pro, of course, that's the CapCut Pro account, and you have to pay for it. Let's choose page turning and click on the blue plus sign to add this transition to your video. You see the transition over here, right here. And on the right-hand side, you see the word apply to all. If your video is long and you have more transitions to do, then you can click apply to all so that you don't have to go one by one to add the transition. Let's play the video. That's a nice transition. Next, let's add music. Click on audio right here. For the music, you have so much options. For the music, you can search up any music that you like. I'm going to search up for cheerful music. And if you like this music, click on the star to bookmark it for future use. And click on the plus sign to add music to your video, just like that. And drag the music to the front, just like that. And if the music is too long, then you can trim it. Just go to the end of the video and click on it. And then click on the music, split, and delete. If the music is too loud for you, you can decrease it. Go over to the feature panel, and then there's the volume. You can decrease it. And of course, if you want it higher, then you can increase it, just like that. Next, let's go to sound effects. Click on sound effects right here. And you can search up any sound effects that you like. Let's look for clapping. We listen to it. There's a lot of options. And again, if you like it, then click on the star to bookmark it and click on the blue plus sign to add it to your video. And if the sound effect is too long, then you can trim it. And you can also move it to where you want the sound effect to begin. There you go. Click on music, and underneath here you see your favorites. That means all the music that you have bookmarked right here. So I have bookmarked a lot of them right here. And that goes for the sound effect as well. Click on it, click on favorite, and you see all of your favorite that is already bookmarked. Okay. Next, let's add some text. Click on text up here. And here you see the default text. Click on it. And down in the timeline, you see it right here. Also over in the player panel and in over here as well. Let's put in good morning. You can move the text around by clicking on the text bar and move it up and down, left or right. You can resize it. Click on the circle at the end of the text box and you can zoom it in and zoom out. And over here in the feature panel, you could also click on the font size to zoom in and out, just like that. Right over here, there's a bar that you could move up and down. Click on the color so that you can change the color of your text. Click on it. And you can play around to see which color you like. There's so many options. I'm just going to leave it in green. Below, you see a lot of different styles that you can choose from. Let's go up to animation. Click on animation. And you can animate your text. And if you don't want the animation, just click on this circle right here. And it will remove the animation. Let's go down to the timeline. And as you can see, the text box is not fully covered the video. And if you want to, you can just drag the text box all the way to the end of the videos. And if you want to move it in the middle, so just click on it and drag it to the middle. And if you want to change the text, then go up to text. And then in the text box, you can change it or edit. Let's put hello, good morning. Next, let's click on stickers. There are so many options. You can scroll up and down. Let's search for fallen hearts. That's what I had earlier. See this one right here? There is a down arrow. You want to click on the down arrow first. And then you can click on the blue plus sign and it's added to your timeline. And of course, you can also adjust, move it around, zoom in, zoom out, move it to wherever you like by clicking on it. Next, let's go to caption right here. Click on caption. If you're talking in your video, then you can add captions to your video, any language that you choose. But if your video is in English, then click on English and then click on generate. You can click on, don't forget to save your video. Go up here, click on right here and give it a name. Press enter. And then to save it, click on export. And then export. You just learned how to cut, trim, delete, add transition, add music, add texting, animation, and much more. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials because this channel is created for you, and I will see you on my next video.